Hey everybody, I'm Gigi, and I have a little secret to tell all of you. Back in the day when I was like 7 years old, my dad used to host a whole bunch of barbecues, and he would grill up burgers, believe it or not. Well, what I used to do is I would sneak on over to the grill, and I would snag some of that raw beef and I would eat it. Not exactly the healthiest thing one can do, especially because that beef was most likely conventionally raised grain-fed garbage that is more susceptible to having foodborne illnesses in it. Yeah, I wasn't really that smart back in the day. However, just like my 7-year-old self, I still love raw meat. When I cook a burger, it's pretty much seared on both sides and the inside is completely raw. That being said, I only eat grass-fed and grass-finished products. Thus, I feel far safer consuming raw meat. And today, well, I plan on making a raw beef dish that you can feel totally comfortable eating because I'm gonna be using US Wellness Meat's 100% grass-fed and grass-finished ground sirloin. And the recipe I'm gonna make today, beef tartare. Usually you use a steak to create this. However, what do you think ground sirloin is? Exactly, it was once a steak and they just ground it up for me, so I don't have to do that process myself. I just have to focus on adding the herbs and spices and the gherkins to this mix here. And I plan on serving up this beef tartare with some eggplant chips. You wanna scoop up this recipe with me? Ha ha ha. Well, you gotta keep watching this video. Okay, everybody, here's the scoop. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm reliving my 7-year-old past life, except using grass-fed and grass-finished beef from US Wellness Meats. I could not be happier. You need to head on over to uswellnessmeats.com so you can get yourself some ground sirloin to make this recipe. It is, dare I say, Michelin star quality. Okay, I'm kind of tooting my own horn here, but the horn I really need to be tooting is US Wellness Meats because their meat is just, I have no words. You have to see for yourself. So go get some of this ASAP.